How do you like it? What do you think? Good stuff? Maybe. Maybe not. We'll see. So this morning, these girls are getting a new treat. They are getting layer feed this morning. It's about that time to switch them over from regular feed to layer feed so that they're getting the extra calcium so that they can lay some eggs. I'm expecting to get eggs from these younger chicks like in a couple weeks, maybe at the soonest. Might be a little later for the Easter egger, but yeah, we'll have a new color of egg to add to our, I was going to say add to our flock, but I guess it's really to add to our egg bin. So instead of just white eggs, we'll have brown eggs, and fingers crossed, the Easter egger will give us either a blue egg or a green egg. But at the very least, we'll have brown and white eggs. So that'll be fun and interesting and new. These girls have been relentlessly pecking on one another. I think it started because since we added the rooster, he's given them a couple little love bites on their combs, and then that just attracts them to want to nip at each other because they see blood and spots and stuff. But the other day, I think we have some pictures, I got some Vaseline and put some blue food dye in it, and we smeared it all over their combs, as I'm told from multiple sources that the blue coloring is supposed to deter them from pecking one another. Instead, it has given them all these little dirty looking mullets or mohawks, or I don't know, but at the very least, their combs are moisturized and some of the scabs were covered up a little bit, and hopefully they'll heal up. And I hope that this will deter that. Because as you saw from the earlier video, we still are keeping them in 2 separate coops. We are just so worried about combining the 2 groups together because they just don't seem to want to get along. I mean, it's been weeks that we've allowed them out both at the same time. They free range at the same time. They're all in the same fenced-in property, so it's just like circling sharks. They're just going around one another, and every once in a while somebody pecks one another, and it's usually the older ones that are trying to drive the younger ones away. So I would love to hear anybody's advice, although, I mean, admittedly, we've gotten the same advice over and over again that we haven't done, which is to, get the little ones at nighttime and just put them in the coop with the big ones. And they're supposed to just, like, not know any difference, and then when they wake up in the morning, it's supposed to be okay. I hear what you're saying, but I don't get it. I mean, they wake up every morning and these birds are in the yard, so why would it be different if the birds were in the coop with them? I don't know. I don't know. Oh, there he goes. Let me see if I can get this. This one here. This man right here. He is, woo, every morning has himself a little snack, and then he wants a little shag. I mean, all those things I read about tidbitting and roosterly behavior, yeah. He's more like a, I don't even know, dive bomb. Just jumps right on top of these chicks. I feel bad for him. You're a dirty old man, and you ain't even that old yet. There he goes. Look. Nope. No, how you doing? No small talk. You didn't even buy her any dinner. I bought her dinner. much.